Hey, it's Sarah, and I'm back with Stella for another pet sitting tips and tricks video. In this video, I'm going to talk about what to do to get more pet sitting bookings on Rover. And if you're just getting started, and if you haven't had any bookings yet, and you paid for the background check, here's what you can do. So, first things first is Rover is an app. It's also a website, but just like with any app, the app algorithm, now an algorithm is it's automatic, it's a bot. There's not people working at Rover who decide who to show your profile to. The algorithm does it. If you want your profile to be shown to more people, you have to update your profile. That means put a new profile picture on there. And even Rover says, every time you update your availability calendar, they will highlight your profile in search. So you can update your calendar every week. You can update it every day if you want to. And this is going to push your profile up there in search. And the more active you are on Rover, the more pet sittings you do, the more you talk to people, the more meet and greets you do, the more they're going to show your profile to other people because they're saying, hey, this person is making us a lot of money. So you want to be active on there. Now, don't get discouraged if you haven't had any bookings yet. Make sure you update your availability calendar every day. Make sure you're changing up your profile picture. This takes 2 minutes, 5 minutes tops, and I promise you it's worth it. If you want more tips on how to get more bookings, make sure you check out my blog post below. I'm going to link to it underneath the video. And guys, it helps to also sometimes spruce up your profile. If you've been on Rover for a long time, people want to be updated. People want to see how you've changed, how your Rover business has changed. If this applies to you, spruce up your profile a little bit. If you need to know what to write on your profile or you're having trouble writing about yourself, I created a free download called Pimp Your Pet Sitting Profile to show you how to improve your profile so that you can book more dogs and cat sitting clients. And I'll link to that underneath the video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.